Hi everyone! To start working with Auto.farm, you need to prepare a little, but now I will explain the process step by step so that everything is as clear as possible and doesn't cause any questions in the future. Let's go! Go to Auto.farm and connect to wallet. We will use MetaMask in this example. Next, we have to choose a staking pool which requires creating a liquidity token from multiple assets. We will take the Cake BNB pair and create an appropriate token. Go to PancakeSwap and connect the same wallet as before. To create a liquidity token, our wallet must have the target assets, Cake and BNB. Instructions on how to buy and exchange currencies are on our Medium page. The link will be in the description to this video. Click on Trade and choose liquidity from the list. There are no liquidity tokens in the wallet yet, so click Add Liquidity. Select Cake at the top and BNB at the bottom. Specify the necessary amount of any asset, the second is calculated automatically. Click Enable Cake and confirm the permission. Now click on Supply and confirm supply. Confirm the action in the wallet and check it. It will display the created liquidity token. Go back to Auto.farm and in the deposit section specify the required amount of assets. Press Approve and confirm the action. Wait until a new color button deposit appears and click on it. Again, confirm it in the wallet and it's done. We have successfully sent our liquidity tokens to Auto.farm. The only thing left to do is to wait for the reward in MarsDAO and collect it by pressing the Harvest button and confirming the transaction. To withdraw a liquidity token from Auto.farm platform and disband it on PancakeSwap, perform all the actions in the reverse order. Go to the Withdraw section, enter the amounts of the assets to be withdrawn and click on Withdraw. Confirm the action and check your wallet's balance. Then go back to PancakeSwap to the Trade and then Liquidity section. Here our token is displayed. Click Remove. Select the amount, press Enable and confirm. Once again remove, confirm token and disbandment permission in the wallet. Check your balance, there you'll see Cake and BNB separately again. As you can see, everything is pretty simple. If you wanted to choose a staking pool with more rewards, use the appropriate assets and create the necessary liquidity token. You'll find more ways to earn with MarsDAO on our Medium page and on our video tutorials. Thanks for watching!